Guess who's back? I'm back from holiday, from vacation. I gotta say, I'm itching to unbox some sneakers. And hopefully you guys are too, because today we've got a whole lot of really cool stuff to get into, including some early Yeezys and what I believe is some Yeezy Gap. I ordered a bunch of Yeezy Gap Balenciaga stuff and I think it's all being shipped like individually or something. I don't know. Real quick, while we're on the topic of me going on holiday, I do have a vlog coming out at some point. I'm working on it. I did get a bunch of content out there, so I am gonna try and get it done by next week. Hopefully. I've got a lot of other stuff planned though. Either way, we got a bunch of boxes, so let's pull out the first one out of my stack, and it is from Adidas. This is a very light box, and this one took way longer than I originally anticipated it would just to ship. Do you know what's in a slim shaped box like this? I'm sure you guys do. People have just been talking non-stop about these freaking things. This one is the Magic Lime colorway. Oh, I do like these a lot. When they dropped recently, I just thought I had to get another pair in this crazy mixture effect colorway, and I also went a size down. So let me quickly try these on, because I got a size lower than I did last time because the last ones were a little bit big on me. So I'm gonna see if this is a better fit. Much better. Yes. Okay, definitely guys, size down for future reference when they do end up dropping more colors. I believe the next batch of colorways is dropping in August, so a little bit of a wait. It took at least a week to ship through to me, which normally Adidas is like next day or 2-day shipping, so definitely longer. And again, I just think that's because this is in just such high demand. It could also be the whole, you know, Kanye West drama where, you know, he's trying to get these things off the shelves and stop Adidas from selling them. So yeah, whatever it is, Adidas is taking a while to ship these things through. Right, let's pull this very heavy box out. Now, this is a raffle that I won while I was on vacation, and I was super hyped. Crazy, because I never thought that this sneaker was going to release in the UK, but thankfully it did, because I've always wanted to get my hands on these, and we finally got them in. Man, I'm so excited to check these things out. Just take a look at that box. It is so crazy. The MB logo, which looks like some kind of pink sunset-like clouds, which just looks insanely good. This is such a nice box. We've got 3 different laces. Man, they pulling out all the stops. Then on the inside of the box, you've got, shh, be quiet. Our imaginations are speaking. Okay, we'll whisper from here on out. Let's see the pair of shoes. Damn, here they are. This is the Freshgoods New Balance 9060. Oh man, they really did something special on these. I really like these. My first New Balance Freshgoods collaboration, by the way, and I just couldn't be happier that it's this model, because I freaking love this model. Now look, the colors I guess aren't exactly what I would normally wear. Light salmon is something that I guess I wouldn't normally throw on, but the rest of the shoe being this kind of tan color, feeling this midsole, it actually feels very soft. This is Absorb New Balance cushioning, which we felt on some other models as well, so hopefully this is nice and comfy. I think what I'm going to end up doing is chucking the sail laces in. That kind of matches the rest of the upper. It'll just tone down the peachy color a little bit, which I think is something I would prefer. But all over, I mean, hey, it's a sick collaboration, a sick colorway. But while we're on New Balance, I've got this other pair which might even be more exciting. I'm not too sure. So these ones also released while I was on vacation, and surprisingly they didn't sell out. I was expecting these things to fly. Thankfully I managed to get my order in. I was literally on a boat when I ordered this pair of shoes. Somehow I had some mobile data, so I just went out and got them on the day of the release. This is the sea salt colorway of the 9060, and now I am absolutely torn on which one I prefer. This is such a sick sneaker model. Even though this is a GR colorway, the materials are pretty much the same. Like, it's not like just because it's a GR colorway they sacrificed on materials by any means. You're still getting really nice soft suede and leather overlays. Yes, this one does feel slightly more premium, like this feels a little bit softer. You've also got a really soft sock liner, but on this GR colorway, it's also very soft and it feels great in hand. I would absolutely love to do a review on these, but obviously because I bought them when I was on holiday, they were delivered here and I couldn't get it out. So I don't know, if it's not too late yet, you guys gotta let me know down in the comment section if you do want to see a review. Either way, let's get into some of that Yeezy Gap Balenciaga. I really am itching to see what part of the order they sent through. It does feel pretty light. I ordered a decent amount of stuff from Yeezy Gap Balenciaga, so this is definitely not all of it. Hopefully it's a little bit more than just one item. Nope, it is just one item. Oh shit, I think this is the pants. Okay. So these are the cargo pants, I believe. Here we go. So yeah, it's completely straight leg. It's solid black. It's a really nice material though. It feels thick, but at the same time, you know, really well done, I guess. It's got a random little drawstring here. I mean, hey, it's a very interesting style of pants. I mean, for a pair of cargos, it's definitely different to your standard, like a bunch of pockets plastered all over it. It just has two bigger pockets, which kind of look like, almost like painter or carpenter pants. It looks strange, but I do like it. What size did I get? Oof, I got a waist 28. I think that might have been like they were out of stock in a 30 or something. Normally I wear a 30, but as you can see, guys, this is a 28. So hopefully, if I haven't packed on too many pounds from holiday, these will still fit. I mean, they seem pretty baggy around the legs. It might just be that waist that's a little bit tight, but I'm sure they look like they'll fit at least. So I think what I'm going to end up doing is I'm just going to wait till I get the whole collection in, and that way I can make a full video on all of the items that I picked up, because I did manage to get, I think, like caps, masks, t-shirts, hoodies. I got a bunch of stuff from their latest collection, and obviously these cargos. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to see all of the goodies that I got in from Yeezy Gap Balenciaga. But we'll set these off to the side and let's get into the final package for today. Early pair of Yeezys. Okay, let's see what we got here, guys. These are dropping pretty soon, and it's a colorway that's coming back from a while ago, and I've been itching to see this one as soon as they said that they were going to restock it. Upside down so you can't see what one it is. I'm gonna underwhelm you guys. Now you're thinking it's freaking turtle doves or something. It's not turtle doves, okay? This is the Slides. These are going to be dropping on Monday. For you guys out in the US, I think we're waiting on these. The bone colorway. Damn, these things are nice. Instantly, I think this is my favorite colorway of the Yeezy Slide. It is just so clean. I mean, hey, it's simple. I'm a simple guy. I like simple colorways. Sail, white, anything nice and bright to really just show off the pair of shoes while also staying super versatile in your wardrobe, in your rotation. I think this is it. See, this is the bone colorway that hasn't restocked since its original release back in 2019. So this is the updated version with the texture, the really nice, soft, malleable, cushiony, dreamy, cloudy material that they use on these things. And of course, I'm going to have a review up, which will come tomorrow. So subscribe for that as well. So with that being said, I think we should just leave it there. I don't want to spoil too much. We'll get into all of the sizing and everything and all the details in that review. But yeah, guys, I think that is pretty much it. Let me know your latest pickups down in the comment section, and I want to thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I think it's gonna have to be, but until then.